What's up guys, Earl here, Tech, and today we're doing an unboxing and hands-on of the Realme's newest C-series phone, the Realme C53. So let's get into it. Now opening up the box, we got a sleeve with Realme's Dare to Leap slogan front and center. Inside the sleeve, we get a free jelly case from Realme, which is always appreciated, and a SIM ejector tool. Then we have the phone itself in this mighty black colorway. Let's put that to the side first, and then going further, we get a Type-C A to Type-C cable and an included 33-watt SuperVOOC charging brick. And that seems to be it. Now, first impression of the phone, it actually does feel a little heavy and substantial in the hand. You get chamfered edges and rounded corners, so gripping the phone feels comfortable. Now, Realme says that the C53 is 7.49mm in thickness, so it isn't surprising that it feels comfortable enough to fold despite the large screen. Now for iOS, we have a USB Type-C at the bottom, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a mic, and a single downward firing speaker. Yes, you heard that right, no stereo speakers here. On the right, we have our volume rocker and the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On the left, we have a SIM slot, in which, when opened up, houses 2 nano SIM slots and 1 micro SD card slot that is expandable up to 2 terabytes. That's pretty neat if you're a user who needs 2 SIMs or somebody that looks for that expanded memory. At the back, we get a frosted glass looking finish, which unfortunately seems to catch fingerprints fairly easy. The black colorway does look really clean and sleek. You can also get the C53 in Champion Gold if you want a flashier look. You get a prominent camera module up top and some Realme branding at the bottom. Up front, we have a 6.74-inch HD Plus LCD screen, which is a 720 by 1600 resolution, with a 90Hz refresh rate and a teardrop notch up top. At first glance, it looks decently bright and vivid. We would have loved if it had FHD resolution, but HD Plus is what we have here. That comes out to about 260 ppi, so pixels are more noticeable than usual. It does feel relatively smooth with that 90Hz refresh rate, and we do see some color shifting when we view the display at different angles, but we'll see if this matters with more testing. Now, powering the Realme C53 is an octa-core Unisoc T612 processor, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. The 6GB of RAM can be extended up to 12GB with C53's dynamic RAM capabilities. The Realme C53 is running on Realme skin called Realme UIT Edition based on Android 13. Now for cameras, we got a 50MP AI camera at the rear, which serves as the Realme C53's main shooter, an LED flash, and an additional 0.8MP black and white depth sensor. Realme says that the C53 will have a 50MP mode, so we're excited to check that out. For selfies, we have an 8MP AI front-facing camera with support for 720p video recording at 30 frames per second. Last but not the least, the C53 comes with a 5000 mAh battery that is capable of 33-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. According to Realme, we'll be able to charge the C53 up to 50% in just 34 minutes or 100% in just an hour and 25 minutes. But of course, we'll verify that in our full test. We don't have the official pricing of the Realme C53 just yet, but we do expect it to slot below Realme's recent C-series phone, the Realme C55, which came in at around 8 to 10,000 pesos. So that ends our unboxing and hands-on of the Realme C53. What do you guys think about this phone from Realme? Do let us know in the comments section below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.